So this is what a bad aftermarket is. See, this doesn't have grease, and if you try to manually roll it, see that it So this is the problem with the aftermarket part that I put on. It actually bumps on the on this rivet over here. This one too, I think. But yeah, initially the door could not actually open fully because it bumps into the edge of this. So yep, if you look at that, you get the new part already, the aftermarket part, and it's bumping over there. So I was comparing it to the old one, and this one seems to be like really thick because it's flush on the metal. So yep, either I have to grind the part or probably polish this this bolt over here, the edge of it, the corner. So this is how bad the aftermarket is. It's actually way too big. The dimensions are actually way off. Let me put that side by side. Okay. And if you look at that, oh, yep. I'm trying to align the grid from my camera. So, yep. So I'm aligning it. Okay. See how big is that one? Okay, I have to adjust it a little bit. Okay. So if you look at that, they are not aligned at all. Like this. There's like too much area over here. And the rollers for this is quite on the inner side, and while the original one, the rollers are outside actually, like outwards. This one is inwards. Yeah, going on top, the rollers for this are way too small. Yep. And this one, if you look at this, the rollers are way inside, and you have this metal protruding over. While on the OEM, the rollers are outside instead of the metal. So big difference.